Here is how the assignment main screen looks like. Assignment combines the three tools utilized in staff planning: the flight operations system, the M&E system, and the HR card into one simple interface. The flight operations system shows you arriving and departing flights scheduled for maintenance and the work packages from your M&E system. You can easily choose base and then filter by location, then by shift and aircraft type, allowing you to get an overview of who's working which shifts with which competence on the right-hand side, enabling full visibility on your HR card. Our intelligent planning wizard allows you to automatically allocate shifts to each work package with one simple tap. Assignment moves you from planning to reviewing so that you can save many hours every week.